For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and let's have a look at an around-the-horn NASDAQ scalp setup. For those of you who are new to the Scalper service, it's really not that difficult. You're just looking to trade in these volatility bands that are outlined on the Scalper service every night. You should also be setting up your own scalp trades as per the instructions that you received in the Session 16 module of the Income Trading Academy video. So what's the NASDAQ scalper do for me? Well, we know that there is momentum in the markets, and we know that everybody likes to play that momentum, but the most difficult thing about trading momentum-based swings is figuring out where they're going to start and where they're going to stop. So what the Scalper service does for us is gets the volatility bands set up based on the previous day's trading ranges. We've got range-bound trades, we've got Fibonacci extensions, we've got pivot reversals. Everything is set up ahead of time, makes it very, very easy to spot the entries, spot the exits, and get in and out with an acceptable level of risk. So let's look at this one. This is GILD. This one is on the plan for today, Tuesday, June 10th, and it's got some really good entry opportunities, and it's got some very good examples of how to trade it and not to trade it. So here on this opening bar, we see it's sort of pounded around inside this range. You could take this reversal on the move back down through the 79.38 band and quickly target 79.16. I'll tell you that those opening bar trades are not the easiest ones in the world to manage because there's going to be a lot of volatility on the open, and you're going to see spreads that are a little bit wider than the ones that we typically want to see for a scalp trade. So if you have a spread on a stock like GILD that is more than a nickel or so, even on an open, I would advise against taking that trade. Wait for the spread to tighten up. It'll get down to about a penny as we get into the trading session. Then we get this move up above the central pivot line at 79.67. You guys know what to do with pivots. Look for the move back down through, then look for the bump up to it. That gives you an early entry opportunity in this bar. And if you're not comfortable taking that early entry opportunity, just wait for the scalper setup to come to you. So here we get a move down through 79.38, goes right down, hits our 79.16 target, pops back up again. On this reversal down through, you've got a 79.16 entry. You just got out there. That doesn't matter. What you're interested in are those entry opportunities on those bands, especially after pullbacks. So then the move down through 79.16, we target 78.88. Gets down below that, we don't care. Comes back up again. 79.38 is the inflection, and then we get a very slow-moving reversal down through it. Gives us plenty of opportunity to get in, and another move right down to 79.16. So there you have it, another great scalper setup. You don't have to get every entry on these. Don't sweat the fact that you missed the first one on the open. Right? Just keep looking for the opportunities over the course of the session. We are mid-morning right now, coming into lunchtime, so we're probably going to set these aside until we get into the closing range. But for now, we've had 1, 2, 3 easy entry opportunities on this one, all of them for a profit. So if you have any questions on how you're using your scalper service, just shoot me an email or give me a call. For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and this has been another example of the Around the Horn NASDAQ scalper service.